Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the icon of the application you want to uninstall. For example, this calculator. To uninstall the app, press and hold on the icon. The menu will pop out. You can tap on the uninstall button, then tap on OK, and the app will be removed. It will disappear from the menu after a second or two. You can also uninstall the applications through settings. So let's go through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called applications or apps. It should be somewhere here. Here it is. Once you find the apps, tap on it, then scroll down and tap on the app list. It will open the list of applications. And once it opens the list of applications, you can scroll through the list, find the application you want to uninstall. For example, Google Wallet, tap on it. Then you can scroll down, find the uninstall button, tap on it, and tap on the check mark to remove the app, like this. And once you're done, you can press the power button to go back to watch face. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.